How to reset or recover Messenger account password. First thing you do is open up a Messenger app, and then from here, let's say if you are trying to add an account, click on switch profile, and then click on log into another account. Now from here, if you've forgotten your password, you're just gonna have to tap on it, and it will ask you for your Google account. Tap on continue. And once you have done that, they will send you an email which you're gonna have to confirm and verify. I already have done that previously, so it is not asking me for my email verification right now, but if it's your first time doing this, they will ask you for your email verification. You just have to head over to your email and verify your account. And now they'll be able to sign into your account, and you could also change your password if you want. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.